aware of this? Anyone familiarized with this terminology, consent? Consent. What do you understand by consent?
Approval.
Yes, Mansita?
The approval.
Approval.
Yeah.
I think approval, it's a little dicey.
So, will of a person.
Will of a person. Okay.
Sir, agreeing upon same thing in the same sense.
Your voice is very, very low.
Sir, permission for something.
Permission for something. Okay, fine. All right.
Concern.
Concern. Okay, fine. Now, whenever we talk about from Afreen, it's very good that agreeing upon same thing in a same sense. So it's basically a law she is quoting. Now, consent generalize the general aspect of concern, meaning of concern. All of you, whatever given you have given the answers, is the general meaning of a concern. Consent. Okay, it's fine. Whenever we talk about in law, and specifically because for the purpose of contract, consent is actually defined somewhere, and in the contract, consent plays a very, very vital role. Consent here says, there is a famous saying in the law, consensus ad idem. Consensus ad idem, which means meeting of minds, which means agreeing upon same thing in a same sense. Consenting for something, for the same object in a same sense. So there were three aspects, three facets which were related to consent. The definition of consent is provided under section 13 of Indian Contract Act, which talks about the meeting of mind, which talks about the situation agreeing upon a same thing in a same sense. It is a mandate. If two parties were forming a contract, there must be meeting of minds. They must agree on a same thing in a same sense. It is a mandate. Okay. If there is no consent between the parties, maybe we can say the consent has been given, but whatever they are agreeing, they are not in the same sense or not for the same thing. So I'm just clarifying the concept of consent in a contract. Faizan, can you please unmute yourself and switch on your video?
Yes, sir.
Faizan,
Yes, sir.
I'm creating one example so that everyone able to understand the concept of a consent.
Yes,
So
sir.
please remember two lines which I have stated just now: meeting of minds, agreeing upon same thing in a same sense. Now, Faizan, I am giving you a proposal that I want to sell you my land. Your answer.
So first, like like to hear the price of the land.
Okay, price 50 lakh.
And so I want to see the land, then I'll decide like I'll
Okay,
find that or not.
okay, fine. So if Faizan said, suppose Faizan has stated yes, so Faizan just consent with it. Reply that in yes.
Yes, sir, I'll agree to buy.
Okay. Now Faizan has stated that yes, he is willing and ready to purchase my land for rupees 50 lakh. Pragyashri, can you please unmute yourself and switch on your video? This is a question for everyone, whether we can say there is a consent between Faizan and me. Can we say that there is a meeting of minds? Can we say that we are agreeing on a same thing in a same sense? So please type your answer in a chat box. Pragyashri, I have asked you to switch on your video and unmute yourself. Okay. So what are your answers? No one have answered. Prachi Kukreja,
Yes, sir.
what is your answer? Prachi. Faizan, you can switch off your video. I am discussing with the others. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Devi Vandana,
Yes, sir.
what is your view? Have you heard the facts?
Yes, sir.
So what is your view? Can we say there is a consent? There is a meeting of
sir.
mind?
Yes, sir.
Okay, meeting of minds is there. Okay. Anyone else? Akshariti?
Yes, sir.
What is your view? Whether all of you able to understand what I am asking? No. Neil Biswas. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So whether there is a consent,
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
whether there is a consent between me and Faizan?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
I guess. Yes, sir.
Okay, so the point here is I have asked specifically and I have given a proposal to Faizan that Faizan, would you like to purchase my land for rupees 50 lakh? So he have answered it as yes. Okay. One thing you need to understand, we cannot say that consent is there. We cannot say there's a meeting of mind. We cannot say that we are agreeing on the same thing in the same sense. Reason for that, I have not clarified the land situated where. In my mind, I want to sell my land situated at Dehradun, but I am having land at in so many states. So might be Faizan is thinking for a land which is situated in Bhubaneswar. Agreeing on a thing on a property, but situated at a different places. So there is no meeting of minds. We are not agreeing on same thing in a same sense. The another aspect is I was planning to sell it in meters, but he was thinking that I am selling in feet. So is there any difference between meter and feet? Whether 1 meter is equal to 1 feet or not? Neil?
No, sir. 1 meter is not equal to 1 feet.
So he is thinking for feet, I am thinking for meter. So again, we are agreed upon same thing but not in a same sense.
Yes, sir.
Same thing in the sense only the land, but again there's a difference in the thought process that where the land is situated, we are thinking differently. So here no consent. Law says no consent, no contract. Okay, so that's
Okay,
why
sir.
consent is very, very important in a contract. Very, very important. So consent, it is, I'm just sharing my PowerPoint presentation. Can anyone confirm whether my